Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about JavaScript numbers. How JavaScript numbers will define how internally it will store JavaScript numbers stored in JavaScript, and JavaScript number operations like subtraction, addition, division, that kind of things. Also, whenever there is a scenario like a number is coming with a string, how it will happen if we are using the addition, subtraction, that kind of thing. So basically I'm going to start right now. So what I'm going to do is I have already one folder is here. I'm going to create a new file here. So numbers numbers.js. So that will be my file, and I will show you, even if it is a floating point numbers like decimals, it will support in JavaScript without any notations, right? So this one we can define also variable y, we can define this also without any issues. So it will take as a number, we don't need to mention anything. So another scenario is if we are using something like large numbers, we need to use exponential, right? So in that case, I need to use something like 2, 3, 4 exponent 5. I can mention here variable zy. Also, even if I can mention something like negative exponential also I can mention here. So uh, all these ways I can define everything, even if we are using console.log to print that particular number. Let's see what is going to happen here. I want to clear my console first. Clearing output. Clear output. Yeah, I already saved. So right now, yeah, we can see exponential 5. It's printed into this one. If I do zy, what is gonna happen? I'm running the code right now. Yeah, the negative one is this much. So that's way it's work. So the basic thing is JavaScript numbers are always 64-bit floating point. So 64 is the memory that you're using to store. So it's a floating point number. Whether it's you are using integer, long, whatever it is, it's a floating point number it's using. The maximum number of decimal is 17. That also we need to consider. And another thing regarding adding numbers and strings. That's usually in every situation that kind of questions will arise, right? So if I am variable I1, that's integer, not integer number, then I2, that's a value, I mean a string. So whenever I am doing my sum for this one, what is going to happen? I1 plus I2. So let's see what is going to happen. So it's just concatenate that 2, 3, 4, 5. So even if it is, I am just mentioning I2 plus I1. It will give the same result. It's add to the, it's considered as a string. So whenever one operand is string, it will consider as a string. So another scenario in this case is if you are giving like this, I have x and y is here, and Okay, I'm adding everything right now. So let's see what is the output right now. So right now I'm getting a different output. 23453. That's I'm yeah, I'm adding 2 3 and 4 5. So 4 5 is a string, 2 3 4 5. Then I'm adding 3.14 plus y. So here these two operands are integers, numbers, so it will add up, and then it will add to the particular string, since it is I2 is a string. So another scenario, if you consider like this, I2 coming here and I1 instead of this one, we will get the same results. I mean 4 5 2 3. So the first two operands, since it is this one is string, the other two are numbers, I1 is number, then it will concatenate, but it will not concern about the remaining two operators. It will always sum up. So that's one point. Usually in interviews, this question will ask. So another thing, if I'm adding two integers and after that a number, then these two integers will add up. I mean, even if I'm using yeah, that's not a good scenario. Also, I'm adding my two integers first, then I'm adding my string variable. It's I2. What's gonna happen? So x and y, so 3.14 and 3 6.14. Then I'm adding I2, that's 45. So actually what's happened here, so the sum of two numbers is happening here and a concatenation of I2. So wherever concatenation is string is coming, the concatenation will happen, but the remaining part will intact. It will always sum up. That's way it's going to work out. So in this case also we can see that 3.14 2 3 4 5 everything will sum up, right? So yeah, so whenever one operand is string, the other all works as a concatenation. So we can see all the result here. So in my previous talking I just wrongly mentioned something like these two will sum up as a number and then concatenate, but in real scenario it's not the case. So basically in 23 I am concatenating to 45, then concatenating to 3.14, then it's concatenating to 3. So basically everything is string, everything considered to be string. That's the only thing we need to take care. But if we are going to division and subtraction, it's not that the case. In that case, JavaScript itself trying to convert that into a integer, so not integer number. So basically we are getting a different result. So I will discuss about in my next video. So basically for JavaScript numbers we need to have some more things to talk about, especially for interview point of view. So please tune for my next video where I will discuss more about JavaScript and how division, division, multiple duplication behave if I am taking one input as a string and one input as a number.